Hey, and welcome back to the CRANEbee tutorial. This video is part of a series where I will show you how you can use CRANEbee. If you're here for this specific topic, just keep on watching. But if you're looking for other topics, I linked all of them down below in the playlist. In this video, we're going to talk about the export feature. I'm going to show you how you can export your current job site into 3D PDF, DXF, and step files. Also, IFC is possible. Let's get started. Alright, in the last video I showed you how you can print your project, but in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually export the current project in 3D. To do that, we're starting again with our super important job on our job site that everybody knows. And I'm going into the job site now. And at the top I have the import button, which you know from one of the first videos already. And I also have the export button. And what I'm going to do now is I will export this one particular project into all of those file formats above. So let's go. First of all, 3D PDF. Let's say I want to have, let's call it job. It's going to take a bit. And we're done. That's 3D PDF. Let me show you how it looks. One more. And we have the job.pdf. It's about 20 megabytes big. And when we open it, you can use any PDF reader that supports this format, which would be, in my case, I'm using Foxit reader. Adobe PDF Reader also works, which is probably the most prominent. So, but they all have to do the same procedure to exit it. So it's asked me now to give it permission to trust this document. So I'm trusting this document always. And I'm clicking on accept. It's now loading in the lower part there. So I'll actually put it in full size, and there we have it. And I can go inside the PDF and I can basically move around. Inside this PDF file, and I see all of it. The control is a little bit different, and I know that every PDF reader is using it differently, so I'm not going to explain it. You just have to find out by yourself in this case. But yeah, we can go ahead and look from all the angles. We can zoom in as well, no problem at all. There's our crane with the RHL hooked onto it. And I can also go right click and say standard view, and we're back at home. That's it for PDF. Let's go ahead and do the next one, which is IFC. I'm also going to call this job. This might take a bit longer, so please hold. All right, and this is done. So we can go ahead and take a look at it. I don't have anything to open up IFC. What I'm going to use now is the Autodesk online viewer, which supports most of the file systems. So let's go ahead and do that. I might also skip forward this because I have to upload it first and then we can view it together. And we are back. This only took a minute. So I can go ahead and look at all of the objects in this IFC file. You also have like the browser of the objects inside. So you have, there's a lot of elements, sorry. Oh, there we go. So you have the crane, for example, the load and the other crane, the stadium itself, and obviously all of it. Yeah, all right. Next up is the DXF file. Let's go ahead and call this, in this case, super important job. Super important job. Yup. And this is now real time. So this is quite fast in comparison to step in IFC. That's done. And let's go to the viewer and upload it. Right. Right after uploading it, we can choose it. And it's basically the same as before, just as another file type. And just gonna also show you it in AutoCAD, just so you can see it. Big difference in here is that in AutoCAD we do have the picture below, because DXF does support having additional images below. Right, let's go ahead and file open and open the super important job. That's right. And that's loaded. See, all the structures are here. It's just that AutoCAD does have a few troubles with showing all of it at the same time from an angle, apparently. But yeah, here we go, all in. And that will bring us to the last one, which is step. Let's go ahead and do that. That's also going to take a bit. It's also called super important job, maybe. And we let it work. And I will also upload it again to the Autodesk viewer. I will also link this viewer down below in the description, so you can use it. It is free. All you need is a account with Autodesk. Right, and we're back. So this is the step file. And there we have it. It's all the same with them. We have, again, the browser for the different articles, and oh, there we go. There's the stadium, for example, and the cranes. Yeah, all in there. Great. That's it from me. Thank you very much for watching. We appreciate your support. And if you need anything else, just write us an email at support@CRANIMAX.com and we're happy to help. Bye bye.